Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a short clip from my Pluralsight course on how to implement security on Azure Synapse. We'll focus on one security feature in particular called row-level security. To watch the full video, head over to the link in the description below. Now let's dive into the video. In this video, we're going to go through a demo of how to enable row-level security in Azure Synapse. We'll be using the same scenario we used in the earlier video to explain row-level security. And this is the scenario with the manager and the sales rep covering different territories. Let's head over into the Azure Synapse environment. I'll be performing this demo from SQL Server Management Studio. And as you can see, I'm connected to my Synapse SQL pool. The SQL pool I will be using for this demo will be SQL pool_RLS, and the script I will use can be found in the exercise files. First, let's start by creating a schema for the sales table called sales. Then I'll create a table called sales.territory with 3 columns, and these columns are ID, sales rep, territory, and customer. Now let's add a few rows here with different sales rep and their customers. We can now view the table. We see here that we can see the entire table just fine. Now let's create some users. I'll create 5 users, 1 manager, and 4 sales reps reporting to the manager. Now I'll grant the users permission to select on the sales.territory table. With what we've done so far, any one of the users will be able to view the entire table with no restrictions. Now, let's set up row-level security. I'll create another schema for the security predicate called SPT. Then I will create the security filter predicate function. In the function, I'll give it a name, and in parentheses, I reference the sales rep column. And then further down in this function, I specify for the function to return the number 1 when a row in the sales rep name column or the sales manager column is the same as the user executing the query. Next, I will bind the security policy to the filter predicate. And the last step will be to grant the users access to the security predicate. Now let's see if this works. First, I will see what the sales rep tile sees. We can see that we see only the account's tile covers. Now let's try a couple other sales rep. You should expect to see only the regions each one of them cover. And that's exactly what we see. Now let's see what the manager sees. We can see the sales manager has access to the entire table. Now, if you wanted to disable row-level security, what you're going to do is alter the security policy. And you just need to make sure that the state is set to off. Let's go ahead and try this out. Once we've turned it off, we can now enable one of these users to see what they see. We can see now they're back to seeing the entire rows inside of the table. If we change it to on and run this again, let's double check to see that row-level security is working again by viewing what the sales rep sees. And just like before, they only see the customers and territory that apply to them. So this is how row-level security works. Hope you have a better understanding now, and stay tuned for the next video where I talk about best practices when using row-level security. Thank you for watching this clip of my course on Pluralsight. Please head over to the link in the description to watch the full course at pluralsight.com. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.